And then slowly floating it back to the center line, and left fingertips reach behind the left ear. And we reach, 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 finding our side body stretch. Left hip crease gets really heavy. Can keep a soft gaze here, or even the eyes can stay closed gently as you listen to the sound of my voice for guidance. It's time to bring it back home, to refuel, right? To stop spiraling, because it's inevitable. Behind the right ear, right hip crease gets really heavy as you find a side body stretch here. Breathing into all four sides of the torso. Let's do one more big reach up to the sky. And exhale, pressing the palms down. Beautiful. Let's bring the left hand to the earth. Right fingertips are going to go